What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Doyle here from Premier RV out in Bluegrass, Iowa. We got a very special video today. I'm standing inside of the first Brinkley RV travel trailer, the Model Z Air, and this is the 295 floor plan. This is the Bunkhouse model, and as you can already see, it looks incredible. We've got it on the lot. We're ready to sell, and we are ready to take orders on it. So let's get right into the walkthrough. Stepping inside to this incredible kitchen living room area. Tons of kitchen storage. Got a deep sink and gold high-rise faucet. 16 cubic foot refrigerator. Got the oven, 3-burner cooktop, microwave. Got this amazing island with the pendant lights. 2 trash bins. You also got the paper towel holder right there. Very spacious pantry with the adjustable shelves. And you got this super sofa right here. Recliner here. And these two on the outsides also recline. And you can put a dinette kind of freestanding table thing here. I'll make sure to throw up a picture of that. It's all set up. You can also pull this down. You got more cup holders. USB ports and an outlet. And you got cup holders here too. Another spot to charge your phone. And you got this 50-inch TV. You can adjust it any way you want. Especially if you're watching from the couch. Make it face you a little more. Because I know if I didn't show that, there'd be lots of comments complaining about that, which is very understandable. When you're paying top dollar for a top dollar camper, this is what you're going to get. You also got a 5,000 BTU fireplace right underneath. And up top, 18K BTU AC. Now let's go to this private bunk room. Your kids are going to love that you can close the doors and that they can have their own space. You got the top bunk up here. And you got the bottom bunk here. Both have outlets and USB ports at the end. And they get their own little storage here with 4 drawers. And they got some windows for the sunlight. And a spot to put a TV. Not quite sure if you want those kids with that access to that TV, but to each their own. Let's take a stop into the bathroom. Very large shower with an incredible look to it. Little holder for your toiletries. You got a shelf right here, some towel hooks, toilet paper holder, and then you got your toilet, sink, and a large mirror. And you got more storage here, which actually can go directly into the bedroom. Don't worry, you can lock it. Heading into the bedroom, first thing you're going to notice is that there is tons of storage space. You got a shirt closet here, 2 drawers on each side, overhead storage as well. And on each side, pretty unique here, you get your own little cubby with a USB port and access to your own light. You got a TV there. Got that there. And even more storage space. 4 more wide drawers. And lots of space. And here is access to your gas water heater. And there's that access to the bathroom that I showed you. 60 by 80 inch queen mattress, 9-inch memory foam. It's also got the gas strut underneath. There's your bar stools that go right out there. And you got the table under there. So that's where you'll store that table. That goes right here. And you got some hidden storage right there. And that's the other part of the table. Now let's check out the exterior. First up, we've got laminated exterior walls with a high gloss gel coat fiberglass finish and Asdel backing, ensuring durability and a sleek look that lasts. When it comes to insulation, we're talking about the industry's best package here. With a double insulated roof, front cap, and main floor, you can say goodbye to drafts and hello to comfort all year round. And you don't have to be worried about cold weather camping in this one. This RV comes with a heated and enclosed underbelly to keep things cozy even when the temperatures drop. Plus, peace of mind comes standard with their warranty package. You get a 1-year transferable base warranty, 3-year structural warranty, 20-year rough membrane warranty, and a 25-year seal warranty. And for tires, they're covered too with a 5-year limited warranty and a 1-year no questions asked tire warranty. This RV is also solar friendly with a 370 watt solar panel installed and pre-wired for up to 740 watts. With a 50 amp MPPT solar controller, you'll be ready to harness the power of the sun. And if that's not enough, it's also pre-wired for a generator, so you can bring all the comforts of home wherever storage, you go.
2 battery disconnects, tons of room.
And here's the other side of that, and your convenience center. You got 2 dump valves, one for the gray tank, one for the black tank, and both have a 5 amp reset. Hot and cold water. And then there's all your controls there for your campsite. Satellite cable and aux. And here you have a 65 foot retractable hose. As you can see, this goes pretty far. And if there's ever a problem, you can access it from back here. This material used here for the ladder is incredibly sturdy. Haven't seen much like that on other fifth wheels. Makes going up on the roof a lot less scary. And also, just look at that view right there with the Brinkley logo. That is incredible. Now you got your receiver right here, and you got your super spacious exterior storage. You got access from the rear and from the side. Tons of space for all your gear. Next up, we got the tires, Load Range E. And these are the Goodyear Wrangler tires. These things look pretty badass. You're going to look pretty slick going on the road in this one. You got the Lippert solid step stairs, oversized door, and you got Brinkley's signature grab handle. Right up here is where you have access to your LP tanks. As you can see there, I got a jump pack hooked up to it for power too. And you can also access it from the top. Got your BAL auto leveling system as well. You can also access it from that side. Thanks for watching, everybody. Leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you think of this travel trailer, and let me know what you think of the floor plan. I personally think it's incredible. I think it's a great option if you're traveling with kids, or if you just want to use the bunkhouse as storage like a lot of people do. We've got it on the lot. We are ready to sell it. We are ready to take orders on it, and hopefully you're ready to buy it. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any other videos, and check out our website, premierrv.com, to see other floor plans and models we have in stock. Or come check us out in person in Bluegrass, Iowa. We got more contact info in the description. Thanks for watching, everybody. And as always, happy camping.